case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1985 case heard by the Superior Court of Pennsylvania, Germantown Manufacturing Company, v. Rawlinson, the court considered whether contracts can be canceled if someone was tricked, forced, or if the terms are extremely unfair. The case involved Robert Rawlinson, who embezzled over $300,000 from his employer, Germantown Manufacturing Company. His wife, Joan Rawlinson, unwittingly signed a judgment note for $160,000 and a second note for over $212,000. Joan had been kept in the dark about her husband's activities and had suffered a recent miscarriage, causing her to be in a vulnerable mental state. The lower court found 3 defenses in her favor: fraud and misrepresentation, duress, and lack of accountability for the amount owed. In accordance with these findings, the Court of Appeals affirmed the decision to open the confessed judgment filed by Joan Rawlinson. The court held that evidence supported meritorious defenses of fraud and duress, making the agreement voidable. Additionally, unconscionable terms in the second note and lack of accounting also reinforced the decision to open the judgment. As a result, the lower court's order was affirmed, setting a precedent for fair contract agreements in similar cases.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.